The world of comics is very interesting. What if we add the power of artificial intelligence to it? From having an idea to executing it, AI helps with astonishing results. Let's see how you can use AI and turn your passion for comics into a business that could help you earn a lot of money. Before that, like and subscribe to never miss out on more clever hustles. Even if you are not an artist or not good with computer programming, you can still use AI and create wonders. We all love reading comics, and it has evolved. With new sorts of characters and plots, we get to see something new every time. In this fast-changing world, it is important to go with the flow. So old-school methods of doing things on your own don't work now. That's where the use of AI comes in handy. Step 1. Idea generation. Everything starts with an idea. That's where the magic begins. First, choose a concept of your choice. Rest. Everything stands on this foundation. From there, you can plan the characters, plots, and themes that you want to bring on. Usually we say brainstorm, and we all know that it takes a lot of time. Here is where the rise of AI tools comes in, making this process easy and smart. You can use OpenAI's ChatGPT. The algorithms used in this help you figure out what works and what does not. You just need to give it some themes or genres that you like, and it will generate a lot of ideas based on that prompt. The ChatGPT is well equipped to understand different contexts and generate amazing narratives. It has been trained in such a way that it analyzes the millions of pieces of data on which it has been trained and brings out the best output. You can expand on the ideas that it gives and also include some of your creative ideas in it. Step 2. Character design. Characters are an important aspect of comics. Once the plot is ready, the next big task is to bring the character to life. They are the driving force of the story and an important aspect of it. Usually, it involves a lot of work involving sketching and revisions, making sure that it fits into the narrative that is planned. People used to sit and draw different characters, and it would take months to finalize one. But now, with a lot of AI tools, things are easy. You can use AI tools like Comicsmaker, DALL-E, perchance, and others to create a visual outlook for your characters. These tools allow users to create characters with so much detailing that it enhances the whole story. You can start by putting in some basic details like gender, age, and personality traits. With that, the tools will generate whatever you want, be it a superhero or an ordinary person. It can bring out different designs, and you can choose from them. You can also add different outfits, facial expressions, and features according to the storyline. Step 3. Artwork generation. Once the artwork is ready, the next task is to craft the comic book. The characters should be brought into a world with life. Previously, it was done with hand-drawn illustrations, and it requires a lot of skill and time. With the new AI tools, here comes the difference. Now you can create innovative visual images easily and in a short time. DALL-E by OpenAI can be used to create such amazing visuals. By giving some basic details about the surroundings, scenes, and objects, it would give us such original artworks that are worth trying out. The main thing that you should keep in mind is the prompts that you are putting in. Try to make it simple, but also put in your thoughts explaining what you are expecting. It would give images that suit your description. There is also an option for customization that helps you make the changes that you are looking for. Another tool is DeepArt, which uses deep learning algorithms and gives you the best results. Here, you can give reference images and select specific artistic styles that you want to see. It can recreate some of the techniques used by famous artists. Step 4. Writing and dialogue. Next comes the writing part. Narratives are an important part of any comic. There are a lot of AI-based writing assistants that help you write immersive storylines. It helps you generate dialogues and plots according to recent trends and the prompts you give. It can bring out some amazing plot twists that engage the reader. There are a lot of websites that use this natural language algorithm and bring out the best content. It also has other features like a grammar and punctuation checker and style analysis. Once you define the context of the scene, it can generate dialogues revolving around that. Shortly, AI and ChatGPT are two tools that you can use. There are a lot of other tools. Try out different ones and stick to the one that suits your needs. Experimenting is something that you can try out here. Use different tools and find the right one that fulfills your requirements and works well for you. Using too many tools at the same time may confuse you, so stick to a particular one. These writing tools will help you expand the storyline with new themes and develop character arcs. When you are doing it on your own, it takes so much time and it is hard to make changes, but when you use such tools, a lot of things become easy. You also get to choose from a variety of ideas and options. So here, it also offers you choices to choose from. ChatGPT can develop conversations between characters in the comic book, which allows the creators to explore different character dynamics and develop their voices. Step 5. Publishing and distribution. Publishing and spreading the word is a crucial step. Now it's time to bring your creation into the hands of readers. We are living in a digital age, and we have numerous platforms and tools that can help us publish our work without much struggle. With various marketing strategies, you can reach out to audiences all around the world. There are a lot of AI marketing tools and other digital distribution platforms that help you find an income out of your creativity. Let's see some of the digital distribution platforms. Comixology is an amazing platform that is owned by Amazon. It is a self-publishing platform that focuses on comics. They have a website sort of thing where you get access to a vast number of comic books. The best part is that people get to read comics from major publishers and also from independent creators. Creators can easily use this platform by uploading their content there. It also has features like guided view technology that give a different level of reading experience. Webtoon is another one where you get to see diverse genres and styles. You can publish here also, as they have some great monetization options. On this website, you can also generate income from the advertisements that are shown in between. Tapas is another website where you get to see a lot of exciting comics, and the best part is that they also give creators the opportunity to publish their work and monetize it. They have advertisement revenue options and premium subscriptions, which will help you generate a source of income from your comic. They also have many promotional ideas that help grow community engagement, which creates an audience for your work. For marketing, there are so many AI tools like Readsy, a platform that fills the gap between authors and publishers. For marketing, the most important thing is to have connections, and this platform helps in connecting to different editors, designers, and marketers. Everyone is on this one website. They use different strategies like hosting giveaways and other social media advertising to attract more readers. They analyze the trends and preferences of the market using AI algorithms and make a strategy for maximum output. BookBub and Pixely are two other platforms that help with marketing. They use AI-powered recommendations to ensure the book reaches a wider audience. These websites have various tools for generating promotional posters and banners and advertising them. With minimal effort, you can do so much work using AI. Step 6. The magic of social media. Social media is part of our everyday lives in one way or another. Instagram and Twitter can be used as the best platforms to market your books. It is a very visual-based platform where you can share photos of your book and engage more people. As a creator, you can share about the effort that goes into all this. You can engage with your followers and create new content that attracts new followers. Instagram uses its AI-based algorithms and gives more priority to visually appealing content. Make sure you use it to market your comics, which will automatically attract more readers to your book. Twitter is also an amazing platform where you can do microblogging about your book. Share your updates and upcoming works, and you can also try out creating a book community online that focuses on comics. Make sure you have an idea about what's working and what's not. AI makes your work easy for sure, but use it effectively by selecting the right tools that work for you. From an idea to publishing, AI helps you in every step. Use your creativity with some smartness and make a good income out of it. Where else do you think AI can be implemented to make some income? What do you think about the comic book business, where you can earn a lot of money? Comment down below. We all know influencers have a strict life to show to the public and stay on the top. But what if we can use AI as an influencer? Find out how I started this AI influencer business and made $10,000 a month.